Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Start by turning off your Conga 990 and unplugging it from the charging dock. This is crucial for your safety during the battery replacement process. Next, locate the battery compartment on the underside of the device. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the battery cover. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery cover off to expose the battery. Now, carefully disconnect the old battery from the connectors. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any wires. If you find this process challenging, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you receive expert advice tailored to your needs. With the old battery removed, it's time to clean the compartment. Use the soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help ensure optimal performance for your new battery. Next, take your new battery and connect it to the connectors in the same orientation as the old one. Ensure the connection is secure, as a loose connection can lead to performance issues. Once connected, place the battery cover back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure the cover is fitted snugly to prevent any dust from entering the compartment. After securing the battery cover, it's a good idea to test the device before putting it back into regular use. Place the Conga 990 on its charging dock and allow it to charge fully. This initial charge will help calibrate the new battery. If you encounter any issues during this process, or if it seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help without the hassle of calls or travel. You can also request a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Once the device is fully charged, you can start using your Conga 990 again. Regular maintenance, including battery checks, will prolong the life of your vacuum. Always refer to the user manual for specific instructions related to your model. In summary, changing the battery in your Conga 990 is a straightforward process that can be completed with minimal tools. By following these steps, you can ensure your device continues to operate efficiently. If you prefer not to handle this yourself, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.